What is header bidding, header bidder, and header bidding wrapper? In this video, we will first discuss what is header bidding, header bidder, and header bidding wrapper. Second, we will see how does header bidding work. And third, how it helps publishers and advertisers. Then we will surf through the ways of implementing header bidding on your website, and at the end, we will have a look at the future of header bidding. Header bidding is a method of integrating multiple demand sources into the ad-serving process of a website. It allows ad exchanges, supply-side platforms, and demand-side platforms to bid on inventory. Header bidder typically refers to the technology or tool used in the header bidding process. It's a piece of code or script that publishers place in the header of their website. When a page loads, this code triggers an auction process among multiple ad exchanges simultaneously before making calls to the ad server. Header bidding wrapper, also known as a container or pre-bid wrapper, is a piece of technology that helps manage multiple header bidding partners. It organizes and streamlines the process of simultaneous bids from various demand sources, ensuring that all bids are made within a certain time frame. But how does header bidding work? Traditionally, when a user visits a website, the ad server sends a request to the ad exchange to fill an ad slot on the page. The ad exchange then selects an ad from its inventory and sends it back to the ad server to be displayed on the page. If the ad exchange doesn't reply with an ad, the exchange sends the request to another ad exchange until an ad is delivered. This is known as the waterfall approach because it involves a sequential process of filling ad slots. The waterfall setup works in 4 steps. 1. A web page is loaded and the ad slots on the page are identified. 2. The highest priority ad network, SSP, or DSP is given the opportunity to fill the inventory. If one of them is able to fill the inventory, the process stops and the ad is displayed. 3. If the highest priority ad network, SSP, or DSP is unable to fill the inventory, the next one in line in the waterfall is given a chance to fill the inventory. 4. This process continues until the inventory is filled or until there are no more ad networks, SSPs, or DSP in the waterfall. With header bidding solutions, the process is slightly different. It does not send a request to the ad exchange. Instead, it works in this way. First, when a user visits a website, the ad server sends a request to the JavaScript code in the header of the web page to fill an ad slot on the page. Second, a request is sent to multiple ad exchanges, SSPs, and DSPs simultaneously. Third, each of these platforms then has the opportunity to bid on the ad impression in real time. Fourth, the header bidder selects the highest bidder and sends the ad back to the ad server to be displayed on the page. And last, the ad server serves the ad to the user's browser, and the ad is displayed on the web page. Let's get to see how header bidding helps publishers and advertisers. For publishers, it will be increased revenue. By giving more demand sources the opportunity to bid on their inventory, publishers can potentially increase their ad revenue. Improved user experience. Header bidding can reduce the number of ad calls and latency on the page, which can improve the user experience. Greater control. Publishers can customize the demand sources that they want to include in the header bidding process, allowing them to have more control over the types of ads that are served on their site. Better targeting. Header bidding allows publishers to access more data about their users, which can be used to better target ads and increase the relevance of the ads being served. Greater transparency. Header bidding provides greater transparency into the ad buying process, allowing publishers to better understand how their inventory is being valued and sold. Advertisers can benefit from header bidding by increased reach and frequency. By bidding on a larger number of impressions, advertisers can increase their reach and frequency. Better targeting. Header bidding allows advertisers to access more data about the users on the website, which can be used to better target their ads and increase the relevance of the ads being served. Greater transparency. Header bidding provides greater transparency into the ad buying process, allowing advertisers to better understand how their ads are being valued and sold. Improved ROI. By bidding on impressions in real time, Advertisers can potentially improve their return on investment by targeting the most valuable impressions. You must wonder how you can implement header bidding on your website. While implementing header bidding can significantly increase your ad revenue, it can be a complex process. You may want to work with a trusted partner or technology provider to help you navigate through it. If you want to monetize your website using header bidding, but you don't have the time, resources, or know how to do it, contact us and we will take care of everything. Implementing header bidding involves several steps. Choose your partners. Evaluate and select your demand partners. Consider factors like fill rate, average CPM, payment terms, and more. Choose a header bidding wrapper. A header bidding wrapper manages your demand partners and streamlines the auction process. The wrapper also ensures that all bids happen simultaneously and within a set timeframe to prevent site latency. Implement the header bidder. Place the code for your header bidder in the header of your website. This code should include the details of your demand partners and the specifications of your ad units. Configure the ad server. Set up line items in your ad server for each demand partner and price point. This step can be labor-intensive as it involves creating hundreds of line items, but it's crucial for managing the auction of the ad server. Test and optimize. After implementation, ensure that everything is working correctly. Monitor performance closely and make adjustments as needed. Keep an eye on key metrics such as latency, viewability, CPMs, and overall revenue. Regular maintenance. Header bidding isn't a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Regularly review and update your setup, adding or removing demand partners as necessary and staying current with the latest best practices. As we continue to witness the evolution of programmatic advertising, header bidding will likely remain a key component in this landscape, but its application and methodologies will inevitably change and evolve. One trend we're beginning to see is a shift towards server-side header bidding. This method aims to reduce the latency issues associated with client-side header bidding by moving the auction process from the user's browser to the server side. This change could significantly enhance user experience and improve overall site performance. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies into header bidding strategies is on the rise, just as it is in most industries. These technologies can help automate and optimize the bidding process, potentially increasing efficiency and revenue. Privacy is also a significant consideration for the future of header bidding. With changing regulations around data privacy and the phasing out of third-party cookies, the header bidding landscape will need to adapt. We can expect more privacy-compliant strategies to emerge, like contextual targeting and the use of first-party data. As more publishers recognize the benefits of implementing a header bidder on their website, we might see the method adopted beyond just website ad inventory. It's possible that header bidding will expand into other forms such as in-app ads, OTT, and connected TV. Looking for header bidding solutions for your website? Feel free to sign up. Register at hollid.io.